Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Yazio. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we're scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.